Hi my friends. It was meant for me to go out in the forest at night, but as soon as I came up to the road that leads up to the forest, there were speech, two persons, unknown language, who spoke, and I didn't have my cameras on. I wanted to record this now, so I decided I'm not going to go out into the forest, because if I hear voices, they are near the road, and I'm not going to agitate them or anything. They are probably already irritated because there's a logging company who's been up there logging 3 areas where they live. So I'm not going to push my luck today or tonight, just so you know. That's that. Bye. Hi my friends, I can tell you this. Also, I turned around when I was going into the forested area where they were loud talking. I had walked about 3 minutes. When I had left the area, I got a stick thrown at me. If I didn't have a couple of trees between me and the road and the other forest, big forested area, it probably had hit me in some way. You can hear the sound when it was thrown from the other side of the road, from the forest, like swoosh, and hit the trees. But so I ran about 200 meters before I stopped, took a breather, and then went home. Now I'm home, and I'm probably not going to go out into the forest at night, at least not alone. So that's that. Now I'm going to take it easy. The time is it's 25 minutes to midnight, so, and it's pretty dark outside, so I'm going to take a rest and see what happens next. Have a good night. Bye.